If you've been asked to write a paper on a controversial topic, or you need to locate pro con information on a topic you've already chosen, CQ Researcher is a library database that can help. It covers a wide variety of controversial issues in unbiased, comprehensive reports, which are fact checked and easy to read. CQ Researcher reports include background information, pro con debates, infographics, chronology of important events, images, maps, graphs, basically everything you might need if you are just getting started exploring a topic. To access CQ Researcher, go to riosalado.edu/library. In the middle of the page, you'll see a box with blue buttons. Click on the Databases button, or you can click on the Databases link in the box on the left-hand side of the homepage. The Databases page shows a list of all the library databases sorted by subject. Scroll down until you find the subject, argument/debate. From here, we can click on the database CQ Researcher. Since this is a library database, you might be asked to log in with your MEID and password. Once CQ Researcher opens, if you need to find topic ideas, you can click on the Browse Topics link in the menu bar and select a topic of interest. There are hundreds of topics to explore that could help you brainstorm potential ideas if you're not sure what you might like to write about. Maybe you know you want to write about something related to human rights, for instance, but you don't quite know for sure what aspect of human rights you want to focus on. You can drill down further into the human rights menu to get an idea of potential areas you might be interested in exploring further. Let's say I already know what my topic is and I want to see if there are any reports available on it. We'll go back to the CQ Researcher homepage. I'm going to type in COVID in the search bar on the top right-hand side. From here, you can sift through the titles to find one that is most relevant to your topic. If there is a red short report icon next to the title, that means the topic hasn't been extensively covered. You can still find credible information in a short report, but it will not have the same elements as a full report. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first result. To navigate this article, you can scroll down and read the entire report or choose a specific section using the menu options on the left-hand side. Selecting sections from the sidebar makes it easy to skip around the report. After you sift through the article, make sure to save it before closing out of the page. There are two things you need to grab and save: the citation and the link. To save the citation, look for the quotes icon on the top right-hand corner called Cite Now. From here, you can copy and paste the APA citation or the MLA citation into your references or works cited page. This tool will save you so much time. Next, if you want to save the link, make sure to grab it from the bottom of the page called Document URL. Please avoid the link at the top of the address bar. This changes and will not always bring you back to the article. If you need help finding articles or need any other assistance, you can contact a librarian through the 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat. We are happy to help.